Isang magandang araw Pilipinas, magandang araw Soxer Gen. Welcome sa isa na namang edisyon ng programang Performing and Informing. Hatid sa inyo ng Presidential Communications Office, Philippine Information Agency at sa pakikipagtulungan ng Information Coordinating Network of Soxer Gen o ICONSOX. Sa ngalan ni PIA Director General Catherine Chloe Di Castro at PIA 12 Regional Director Frian Abquilan, ako po si Oliver Rivera at samahan ninyo kong alamin ang mga latest development programs, projects and activities ng ating pamahalaan na ipinatutupad sa bahaging ito ng bansa. Tayo po ay mapapanood via Facebook, YouTube at Spotify. And we have with us today ang ating kaibigan mula po sa Department of Trade and Industry Region 12. Let us all welcome Assistant Regional Director Mary Ann Morales. Ma'am Ann, good morning. Ang inyong pagbati po sa ating mga manonood.
Good morning, Oliver. Good day sa ating mga manonood. And thank you for having us today. I'm delighted to share about our upcoming event, the Treasures of Region 12, a Christmas Trade Expo in Western Visayas, happening this December 17 to 21 in SM Iloilo City.
Okay.
And this is Region 12's grandest trade expo featuring 60 of our finest MSMEs from Cotabato, South Cotabato, galing sa Sultan Kudarat, Sarangani, General Santos City. And this is our way of bringing creativity, craftsmanship, and entrepreneurial spirit of the Sox Sergeant to new markets in Western Visayas. So this is anchored on the theme Buy Local, Be Vocal. This event celebrates our local pride and encourages every Filipino to support and promote our homegrown products. Through this initiative, we hope to open new doors for our MSMEs, strengthen regional partnership, and remind everyone that we buy local, we help communities thrive.
Ma'am Ann, our purpose here is to champion local entrepreneurship. Let's talk more po about dito po sa championing local entrepreneurship and then yung Buy Local, Be Vocal na program ni DTI.
So, ang DTI Region 12, we would like to continue uplifting yung MSMEs natin in exposing them, training, and also providing them opportunities to penetrate new markets.
And then yung Buy Local, Be Vocal po natin.
Pag sinabi natin buy local, be vocal, sabi yun sa Tagalog is bumili ka ng produkto at ipagmalaki mo ang produktong Pilipino. And this is in consonance with our
Sige po.
okay. So for the buy local and be vocal, every product featured in the Treasures Expo tells a story about the local pride and perseverance. So we support these MSMEs to sustain their jobs, livelihood, and region's cultural heritage.
Opo, ma'am, before we go with our details po, let's watch a short video from DTI Region 12. Let's all watch this. Tayo po ay nagbabalik sa programang Performing and Informing kasama ang Department of Trade and Industry. Ma'am Ann, we are talking about your program po this coming December, yung Treasures of Region 12, a Christmas Trade Expo in Western Visayas. Now, the question is, marami pong magtatanong, bakit Western Visayas po ang target natin for this year?
Yes, last year we were in Manila and other years nandun din kami sa Manila. And so nakita natin na mas kailangan naman nating ma-expose
Yeah.
no in the Visayas region. So we're hosting the expo in Iloilo. Yeah, this will allow regions entrepreneurs to reach the Visayas Visayan consumers, and then we build partnerships, and then we introduce also our products to the new audience and to the new market. So hindi na lang tayo Manila, hindi na lang tayo in the region, but also we would like to explore the Visayas region.
Ma'am, start ba to na kumbaga every year mag-iiba na yung area na pupuntahan ni Treasures of Region 12?
Hopefully, we are exploring that possibility, no? Baka next time.
Cebu,
Yes.
and then balik na naman tayo dito noon, Mindanao na
Yeah,
naman ulit, Davao, mga ganun.
So, hindi siya imposible na mangyari.
Ma'am, empowering our digital MSMEs, part din po ito ng programa po ninyo. Kasi di ba, nasa digital age na tayo, meron na tayong mga payment schemes na online na lang. Ano po yung mga programs under this?
So, of course, kailangan talagang maging updated yung ating MSMEs sa ating technology, no? So, we are empowering our MSMEs to be digitally savvy, no? So, tinuturuan natin sila how to access yung mga payment schemes
Okay.
that are digital na. So, the GCash,
GCash,
also
Maya.
the PayMaya, and other online marketing strategies.
Opo, ma'am, aside po sa digital payments, tinuturuan din po sila to adapt market strategies online. Di ba?
Yes, we also teach them how to market their products online. So, kung makikita mo, there are MSMEs that are selling online na rin, no? Using the social media
Social
as a
media.
platform.
Ma'am, ano yung mga specific na trainings na makukuha ng mga MSMEs from DTI on digital trends?
Digital trends, first, of course, we would like them to enhance their
Yeah.
products so that it will be sellable, no?
Packaging,
Oo,
mga ganon.
sa market. So when their products are ready, then we also provide them with the technical assistance on IT, no? Using our technology
Okay.
in marketing, using the technology in their production also, and using the technology in the payment collection of payment for their selling ng products nila.
Para much easier na lang din sa kanila. Inventory, mga ganon. Kaya na lang din po.
Yes, as well as bookkeeping, all other trainings that would enhance their production, their operation.
So all out talaga ang support ng ating government to improve the lives and businesses din ng ating mga MSMEs. Okay. Ma'am, punta na po tayo dun sa event highlights. Meron po tayong 60 na MSME exhibitors na mention po ninyo kanina. Ano po yung composition po nito, ma'am?
So yung ating 60 MSME exhibitors will be featuring 31 food, 24 non-food, and then plus 5 special exhibitors from Region 12.
Sino po itong special exhibitors natin, ma'am?
Ang special exhibitors natin will be coming from our local government units who will be there also to promote yung kanilang tourism
And products.
then the products as well as investment potentials.
Okay.
No?
So Cotabato, South Cotabato, Sultan Kudarat, Sarangani, and General Santos will be joining Treasures of Region 12.
Yes.
Opo. Ma'am, ano po kayong mga dapat abangan ng ating mga kababayan sa Iloilo City for this? Ano yung mga sample yata ng mga products, ma'am, na dadalhin po natin doon?
So for ano ko na lang by
Sige po.
province, no, parang some of the products, no. For South Cotabato, we will be featuring yung ating unique, no, na tinalak items.
Okay.
Alam naman natin yung ating tinalak is hindi mo makikita sa ibang lugar.
Okay.
The accessories, meron tayong cocoa sugar, meron na rin tayong biskotso, meron ng Iloilo, but we have our version. And of course, dahil marami tayong prutas sa South Cotabato, marami na rin tayong fruit jams na na-produce. No? And then for Sultan Kudarat, alam naman natin, ang Sultan Kudarat is talagang sikat sa ating quality at masarap na kape. So they will be bringing with them the best coffee.
Yeah. Coffee capital.
Oh, yes, cocoa sugar, and meron na rin tayo mga wood crafts.
Okay.
And for Cotabato province naman, we also have coffee, but we also have woven fabric like Inol na medyo sumisikat na rin no, sa Cotabato province. And also, they will be bringing their coconut products. And for Jensan, alam naman natin, no? Pag Jensan,
Pag
alam na
Jensan.
natin na tuna products. Then, meron tayong yung isang producer ng cocoa juice, which is Coco Island will also be joining. No? So for Sarangani, marami tayong bagong chocolate. Meron tayong chocolate factory nga, no? Housed in Jensan. And then also we have cacao products that they will be bringing. But the Sarangani,
Yun yung products nyo dadalhin.
cacao processing is nanggaling yung kanyang kakao sa
Sa Sarangani province.
yun.
Opo, ma'am, since this is also a Christmas Trade Expo, meron pong Christmas treat bundles and new product na ila-launch po during this activity.
Yes, na-surprise na
Yeah.
ako eh.
Opo.
So meron tayong product launches ngayon, at least 10 holiday gift bundles and 25, no? Ang dami pala, no? 25 new products na ngayon lang natin i-expose, no, sa market. So,
So
excited.
maswerte yung mga taga Iloilo.
Yeah,
Doon
bakit nga
doon
sila
nila,
mauna?
doon nila first matitikman or ano yung mga ano natin for the Christmas season.
Yes.
Aside from this, ma'am, syempre hindi tayo magpapahuli. Meron tayong mga cultural performances.
Of
Opo.
course, pag exhibit ng Region 12, dapat dalahin din
Yeah.
natin ang ating creatives industry. So, magkakaroon tayo ng cultural performances, yun, araw-araw, no? 10 daily artistic performances, and may 5 side events celebrating yung ating kultura at creativity ng Region 12. And yung last trade fair in Manila, talagang nakatutok yung mga, ating mga audience sa Manila on the performances ng ating mga, yung ating
Yung mga dinadala.
performers
Oo.
natin na dinadala. And this year, we would also like to do it again, show to Visayas that this is the culture in Region 12.
Opo. Ma'am, lahat po ng preparation na to, ano po yung expected natin na target sa sales and exposure natin?
So sa sales natin, medyo maliit-liit konti. 10 million yung ating na target. We hope to have 50 new business leads, no? And then siguro, hopefully, may 1,000 walk-in buyers or
Pero
more,
feeling
no?
ko malito itong 1,000 walk-in buyers. Achievable, very achievable po
Kasi,
ito.
oo, kasi parang medyo maliit yung area. But then again, hindi naman siguro sa liit or laki. Kung marami talagang taong pupunta, then we hope ma-exceed natin yung target natin. 10 million na sales as well as yung mga walk-in buyers natin expected to come. No?
Opo. Ma'am, ano naman yung after this activity, ano yung post-fair impact natin? Paano natin tutulungan yung MSMEs? Ano yung monitoring natin?
Of course, yung ating assistance sa ating MSMEs would not end after the trade fair, no? So, we will monitor them, especially kung yung sales nila, if they have negotiated sales or meron silang mga book sales, so titignan natin kung natututukan ba nila yung kanilang naibigay na commitment sa ating mga market, as well as we would like to gather yung kanilang feedback on the conduct ng activity so that we can improve yung succeeding activities natin, whether dito pa sa region, malaking event, or sa other region na medyo maliit na event, para naman ma-improve natin yung ating mga gagawin pang mga events in the future.
Opo, Ma'am Ann, medyo naubusan na tayo ng oras. Your call po sa ating mga kababayan to support, especially mga nandun po sa Iloilo City, to support our Treasures of Region 12, a Christmas Trade Expo in Western Visayas.
Okay, so yung ating mga kababayan, kasi manwa natin sa Iloilo, friends natin, mga kamag-anak na nandoon. And of course, yung mga taga Region 12 who would like also to come with us, no? Kasi na-imbitahan natin yung mga LGUs and some of our mga private sector to join us. So, hopefully, you will be able to join us dito po sa ating grandest event of DTI, no? So every purchase from Treasures Expo supports a Filipino dream and strengthen our regional pride. So ibig sabihin, we would like you to come, visit us, buy our products, enjoy the performances and appreciate the culture of Region 12. So with that, maayong buntag and I hope to see you in Treasures of Region 12 in Iloilo City.
Opo, kita-kits po, December 17 to 21 sa SM City, Iloilo. Treasures of Region 12, a Christmas Trade Expo in Western Visayas. Maraming salamat po, ARD Mary Ann Morales from DTI. Sa ngalan ni PIA Director General Catherine Chloe Di Castro at PIA 12 Regional Director Fryan Abquilan, ako po si Oliver Rivera. Maraming salamat at isang magandang araw, Soc Sergeant.